Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this voluminous, beachy, casual look. This is my updated hair routine. I hope I look okay. I can never tell in the viewfinder, it's so small. I needed something easy, but like, you know, effortless, but like cute, but like easy to do, and like sexy, and like that fit my personality. But like the most important thing to me is that it's kind of easy to do. I'm gonna definitely avoid doing my hair if it's hard to do, and stay all the way to the end in order to see how I achieve this look. First thing I do when I get out of the shower is I part my hair right down the center, and it's actually really hard for me to do for some reason. So I part my hair immediately, I brush my hair out, I part my hair right down the center, and then I put some sort of root boost to kind of glue down the sides, because I want like that really symmetrical look. I want that really symmetrical looking hair. So then, now I blow dry my hair, just kind of power dry it. I don't use like a round brush or anything. Oh my god, can you hear that? My lawnmower guy is here. So I'm using a 1.5 inch barrel. I think it's 1.5 inch. And I am just going to start right here, and this section is going to go backwards. And I leave like 1 inch or 2 off the bottom. And I always feel it just to see. Okay, and now I take it off once it's hot and curl it in the direction that I curled it. Okay, and then I pull it down. The next section, I just take big sections. The next section now I'm going to go forward and curl it forward. Ow. Also leaving a couple inches at the end, and then just checking for when it's done. When it's fully done curling, you're going to feel your hair get hot, so that's why I keep touching it. You never want to leave the iron on for too long. It's kind of like leaving your iron on your clothes for too long. What will happen? You'll fry it. So obviously I use a heat protector too, but okay, then I take it off, then I curl it in the right direction and pull it down. And I'm just going to do that for the rest of my hair. I'm going to go away from the face, towards the face, away from the face, towards the face. I think there's only like basically 2 chunks over here left, because I take pretty big chunks. So yeah, it's really not that complicated, but like it made such a world of a difference. So I'm going to curl this side, and I'll be right back. Now I've done the bottom half. Okay, and I'm going to go to the top half. Trying to be like casual about this. I feel like when I think too much about doing my hair, it just turns out like doo-doo. Okay, so just take like a chunk, like a casual chunk out of the front, and same thing. So you always want to start away from the face and just test it. And I left this much off. Sometimes I have to go back and recurl it. I have to see. Okay, so then I like to pull it, twist it and pull it. I feel like that has a lot to do with the shape of the curl at the end of the day, and I want my hair to be all facing straight down. So that's why I do it that way. So then I take the next section and go towards the face. And curl it and then pull it and hope for the fucking best. God only knows. You know what, hair is not like my forte. That's why I specifically taught myself how to do this, and it's specifically annoying. I'm just gonna leave it for now, and then take the next chunk. This chunk goes away from the face, and we just do that through the rest of the head. So I will finish this up. You just curl. That's like really the 2 new most important techniques. The center part, okay, there's way more than 2. The center part the technique where you go away and then towards, away and then towards the face, and then the curling and pulling down, because I'm using a thicker barrel, so like my curls would be really pretty loose if I didn't do it, if I didn't curl it and pull it. But the curling kind of helps to emphasize the curl and give it more of like a beachy look, because if I use too small of an iron, then I look like I'm going to a wedding, and no one wants that type of look unless you're going to a wedding. No, but we want like really casual, like effortless hair no matter what. So that's the idea. I'm gonna finish this and I'll be back. Now you can see what this looks like. Every curl is pointing down, and I left it in ringlets just so it could cool a little bit. So now the ringlets are cooled and I'm just gonna brush it out. I'll start on this side. I start on top and then kind of go underneath. I don't know. There's not like a huge technique to this. You just kind of want to be a little bit gentle, but not really. Then I'm gonna flip my head over. I may have to go back and recurl some. We'll see. Okay. So what's going on over here? Let's see, this could be curled better. Curl that forward. And really you shouldn't have to redo too many parts. Sometimes the front needs a little bit of tweaking, or like the sides here maybe need a little bit of tweaking, just because the sections that you picked up were so like vertical that all the pieces didn't get evenly curled the same. Now I'm using the Moroccan Oil Luminous Hairspray in the medium strength. I am obsessed with this. It's huge. I love the color. I love the smell. It's not sticky. I have fine hair, and I really like when it has body and texture, and like those texturizing sprays don't do shit for me because my hair is fine and really soft. Okay, so this little strand down here, maybe give it a little, and I love this hairspray because it's just like gives you body without giving you that tacky feeling, and it lasts forever versus like texture sprays. I run out in like 3 days. All right, I think we're good to go. You want it to be beachy and messy. You want it to be like effortless. And this, honestly, this will last me a few days. I need a little bit of dry shampoo. Also, one of the best tricks is dry shampoo, because my hair's clean. I just washed it, but the root boost I used left it like a teensy bit greasy, but also like this is the best texturizer too. It just gives you like texture. Okay, there we go. Voila. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.